Paki-introduce yung sarili mo.
Oh, my name is Jasper De Luna, 20 years old from Talavera, Nueva Ecija.
Kasabay mo si JJ?
Ewan ko po. Habang pa po kami nandito.
Ano gagawin mo? Nag-aaral ka pa?
Katatapos ko lang po ng college.
Okay, anong course?
BSID po.
IT.
Yes.
Computers. Magka dito.
Gusto ko po kasi mag-artista talaga.
Ang gagawin mo?
Sing and then dance.
Sige.
It's amazing how you speak right to my heart. Lead us anywhere in the light of the dawn. Trials are made I can never explain, but I hear when you say a thing. Just love your face, just know what you need. Listen to